Greetings, teachers. I'm going to show you right now how to upload a file into your Canvas assignments, or even for students to be able to upload it into questions. There is a situation right now where files is grayed out. That is a Canvas issue. We're currently working on that, but there are a couple of other ways to do this that actually may be more beneficial to you in the long run. So the first way we can do this is just to go here to embed image. That is, if the file I want to embed is an image, then I can go right here, and what I'm going to do is to choose one of these three things. I can either download the image directly from Flickr or choose a URL, but in this case I'm going to go to Canvas. You can, depending upon what you want to happen, you can upload your own file if you're a student, but typically what you'd want to do is you would want to have upload any file that you're going to use in a course to the course files. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on upload file. And because I've got my Google Drive hooked up to my Canvas here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Canvas assignments. And then you'll notice here I've got a PNG photo here of a triangle. So I'm going to go ahead and click open on that one. It's going to upload it. And then it is a PNG file. I can set the dimensions of that and keep my aspect ratio here. So in other words, I'm just going to do right here 600, and then notice it will automatically change the height of the photo, and then click update. And now what's happened is that photo is now inserted into my assignment here. There is another way that I can do this, and I'm just going to go ahead and click right here and delete that photo. I can actually go to my external tools up here in the top, and anything that you have in your Google Drive, you can now insert. So the file does not have to be stored within Canvas. If the file is in Google Drive, I can just go ahead and click there. It's going to ask me to make sure that that's the correct account. I'm going to go ahead and select file. And what happened was it brought up this dialog box right here, and you will notice that this image now is available to me. When I click on add, it's going to change the sharing setting and allow anyone with a link to access it, and that is only to view it, not to edit it. I'm going to go ahead and click on attach, and now that file is embedded within the question. Now notice that it does give you it does put it within a frame, so you can actually make it bigger. Sometimes this may not necessarily be convenient for any box in which you've got other text inside here, but this is a way to get around that having to have everything stored within your Canvas course. The only problem is that if anybody else borrows this and your Google Drive happens to go away at some point, or that file gets deleted from your Google Drive, then it will break the link to the picture inside Canvas. So there are some trade-offs in that. Anyway, that's a couple of different ways to get files embedded into Canvas, and especially if you don't have this Files tab available to you. Hopefully they'll get that fixed here very shortly.